Hi everyone, Brian from D.I.G.S Marketing here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the properties that you can see in contacts in Hubspot. So I get this question a lot because this really makes it easier to find what you're looking for in Hubspot without multiple clicks or having to navigate to multiple pages. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to CRM and then click contacts within Hubspot. And you can choose any contact, it doesn't matter. I'm using myself as a test in this example, but again, it doesn't matter which contact you choose. And the problem here is, there's a default fields that are visible that HubSpot has a default setting. And sometimes you want to see other fields without having to click in and view all of the fields that you could possibly look at. So I think what I have here is the default. It's like 7 or 8 contact fields that it defaults to: email, owner, last contacted, life cycle states, etc. But let's say you wanted to add a few others in your view so that you could see this on all contacts very easily. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to the contact and you're going to click this little settings button. When you click that settings button, edit card should pop up right here. And then you just have to go to properties and decide what you want to add and where you want to add it. So say I wanted to add a property. So then you click that little plus, add property, and then you have to choose one of your existing properties. So let's say I want to see people's LinkedIn URLs that I have in HubSpot right on their contact. So if I click LinkedIn URL, and then I can move it. So let's say I want it as the first field visible. So I'm going to move it to the top and click save. And now save and exit, or just save, right? Now on every contact, you can see when I click the contact, when I go back, LinkedIn URL will be the first field that I can see on every single contact. Again, I hope this little tip makes your life a lot easier, and you can start customizing kind of the menu that you see by default when clicking on a contact in HubSpot. Hope this is helpful. If you're having any troubles, please reach out to myself at D.I.G.S Marketing. Would be happy to take a look and help if I can. More videos on the way in the near future. Thanks.